Bitcoin is bouncing back towards the upside right now, and this is probably just going to be the beginning of a way bigger move starting to get created. So very bad news right now for all of the Bitcoin bears. We need to be talking about that exactly. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into the short term. And yes, Bitcoin has been seeing this beautiful bounce back towards the upside. Yesterday, literally everyone was getting very bearish, but we have actually been getting bullish. We've been creating this bullish divergence over here. We've been seeing this liquidity grab down below this daily level of demand. And after this has been happening, well, we have also been seeing this stock market divergence. Bitcoin funding rates flipping negative yesterday, and after that we have been breaking this downtrend on that 2-hour time frame, and we have been initiating this massive bounce back towards the upside. So yes, this has been looking very good. This has been playing out perfectly like we have been talking about it yesterday. And right now it is starting to look like, yes indeed, we have just printed that higher low and we are going to be headed even higher right now. Now, there are going to be a few warning signals still we need to be talking about a little bit later in this update video. But yes, right now for that short-term Bitcoin price action, this is starting to look very good. And definitely it is looking like we are going to be headed even higher. Now also still yesterday the stock market has been moving even more towards the upside. So yes, we are seeing Bitcoin actually catching up with this huge divergence we have been creating. However, yes, still the stock market is literally printing new all-time highs right now at this current moment, while Bitcoin is still kind of lagging behind, right? It is still down a lot from its all-time high. So still there's going to be a huge catch-up move to be made from the stock market and the Bitcoin price. Anyways, if Bitcoin is going to be bouncing even higher from off this current level we are going to be trading at, we're going to be approaching this level of resistance. Now, if we're going to be breaking this level of resistance over here, then we might be setting a little bit of a double bottom pattern. And in that case, we're definitely going to be expected that we're going to be seeing a very bullish breakout and we're going to be headed much and much higher above these previous highs over here. Now, definitely we are going to be trading inside of this uptrend already. So regardless if we're going to be putting in this double bottom, I do think that eventually after setting in a lower high, we're going to be seeing new higher highs being created and us actually breaking above this previous high over here, which is going to be very important because in that longer term Bitcoin price action, that's going to be the starting point of this massive breakout towards the upside outside of this bull flag pattern. However, in that short term, do be a little bit careful because right now Bitcoin is touching and testing this major level of downward sloping resistance. So yes, this is going to be a major level for Bitcoin to be breaking above. I do not think we're going to be breaking above this level very easily because on top of that, on the daily time frame, we can also be having a look into what's this massive horizontal level of resistance. As you can be seeing over here, massive previous level of resistance right here as well, level of resistance right here, massive level of support and previous resistance over here. And right now we are testing it once again. So I do not think we're going to be breaking above it very easily. On top of that, we are even trading inside of a weekend right now. So I do think that some consolidation, maybe even a little bit of a rejection from of this level is going to be more likely. And then next week, we might be seeing a massive new week getting started. And then we might be getting our massive breakout. Because do keep in mind, our scenario is right now exactly playing out. I've been talking about this scenario many times that at the beginning of October, we're probably going to be seeing some slower price action. But then after this Bitcoin dump over here, we're going to be seeing some very bullish price action and we're going to be ending off the month of October very bullish. I mean, historically speaking, this is what has been happening a lot. Guys, do keep in mind that in October, we have seen an average gain of plus 20%. So that is absolutely huge. I do still think that October is going to be a very bullish month for Bitcoin, especially in the ending days and the ending weeks of this month. So, I mean, we are setting ourselves up for a very bullish week. And next week, I do think that this weekend is going to be a little bit slow. Anyways, yes, guys, the Bitcoin funding rates are also still trading very, very low. An average 0.0013%, definitely below that 0.01% mark. So definitely below the neutral levels. And majority of the Bitcoin market is right now trading short, which means that an even bigger short squeeze is still going to be inevitable. So guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well, make sure to be checking out these two links down below, because over on OKX, you can right now be claiming a 30% trading fee discount and a $60,000 deposit bonus. And over on Bybit, you can right now be claiming a $500 free trade and a $40,000 deposit bonus. So make sure to be checking it out with these two links down below. Sign up a new account and claim these insane deposit bonuses. Anyways, if we're still just going to be zooming out, we are just creating this massive consolidation still, and we should still just be a little bit more patient until we're going to be seeing this massive breakout outside of this bull flag pattern. I think whenever we're going to be seeing this massive breakout outside of this bull flag pattern, then definitely we're going to be exploding. Then we're going to be seeing up only price action, but right now that is not happening yet. Right now, we should still be a little bit more patient. Yes, we are seeing very bullish price action happening right now for Bitcoin, but guys, that massive breakout is not yet happening right now. So do keep that in mind. Now, it could be happening any moment because we're seeing our second wave of low volatility in the market. So yeah, volatility could be picking up anytime soon, and this parabolic move might be getting started anytime soon towards the upside. Still, US debt is going parabolic towards the upside. That is going to be bullish for the Bitcoin price action. Anyways, if we're going to be having a look towards the elections, we're only 24 days out right now from the elections, and always the US elections have been very bullish for the Bitcoin price action, as you can be seeing in this chart over here. Literally every single time after the US elections, Bitcoin has been going parabolic towards the upside. I do not think that this time is going to be different. And especially if Trump is going to be winning the elections, it is going to be very bullish for the Bitcoin price action. And right now, yes, Trump is actually leading the polls. So guys, this is looking very good and very bullish for the Bitcoin price. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.